Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths second chapter real numbers exercise 2.1. First question, which arrow best shows the position of 11 by 3 on the number line? This is A and this is B, C, D is given in the question. Which arrow best of 11 by 3? So we have to divide 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9, balance 2, 0, point. 3 6 are 18, again balance 2, so 6 up to etc. So let us consider 11 by 3 is equal to 3.7. So which one is this? Is 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3. And this is 3.7 is in between 3 and 4. And this one or this one we have to select. This is 3.7. After 3.5, that's D is correct. So which arrow best? D arrow. So D arrow best shows the position of 11 by 3 on a number line. Next, let us see the second question. Find any three rational numbers between minus 11 and 2 by 11. What is rational numbers? Rational number is a fraction indicating the quotient of two integers excluding division by 0. So, that is a fraction. So, check whether the denominators are same. Minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11. By number line, we will get this is 0. Integers means this is positive numbers and this is negative numbers. So, in between these two numbers, the denominators are same means we have to take the minus 7 to 2. So, what are any three rational numbers? What are the three rational numbers? Any number. So, minus 6 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 3 by 11, up to etc. to 1 by 11. So, any three numbers means you have to take any three. Minus 5 by 11, minus 2 by 11, sorry, okay, 1 by 11. These are the three numbers, rational numbers in between minus 11 and 2 by 11. Can you understand, students? Let us see the third question. Find any 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So these denominators are different. So we have to use one formula. Q is the rational number. It is the rational number is denoted as Q. That is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B. So you have to consider this is A and this is B. Now first Q1 you have to find out, that is first rational number. We have to find out 5 rational numbers. So Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So what is the answer? 1 by 2 into LCM is 20, cross multiply 5 plus 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 9 by 20. So that is equal to 9 by 40. And then again Q2. We have to find out Q2. What is the formula for Q2? Next number we have to find out 1 by 2 into A plus Q1. 1 by 2 into A plus Q2. So for second rational number we have to find out means A plus Q2 and A plus Q3, like that you have to find out. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into this is A. What is A? 1 by 4 and plus Q1. Q1 is 9 by 40. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 40 is the LCM. Here 10. 10 plus 9. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 19 by 40. So Q2 is equal to 19 divided by 80. So Q2 is equal to 19 divided by 80. And then Q3. Q3 is equal, this is Q2 and this is Q1. And next we have to find out Q3. 1 by 2 into A plus Q2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into A is 1 by 4 plus Q2 19 by 80. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 80 is LCM and 20 times. So 20 into 120 plus here 1 time, so 19. So that is equal to 20 plus 19, 39 divided by 160. 8 into 20, 160. Next we have to find out Q4. Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q3. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus Q3 39 by 160. Now we have to find out 1 by 2 into 160 LCM. Here 40 times. So 40, because 40 into 4, 160. 4 4s are 60. 40 into 4. So plus 39. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 79 by 160. In the same way we have to find out Q5. What is Q5? Q5 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus, that is Q4. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus 79. Here 79 divided by 3. So 2 into 160, 320. So here 320. So here 79 divided by 320. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, you have to take the LCM of 320 and 80 times. So 80 plus 79. So that is equal to 159 divided by 640. This is Q5. Can you understand, students? This is the method of finding rational numbers between two rational number fractions. Can you understand? Let us find out minus 1 and minus 2. Find any 5 rational numbers in between minus 1 and minus 2. This is considered as A and this is considered as B. What is the formula for Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 plus minus 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3. So that is equal to minus 3 by 2. And then next Q2. What is Q2? Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So yeah, what is the LCM? 1 by 2 into 2 is LCM. So minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5 divided by 4. So minus 5 divided by 4 is Q2. What is Q3? That is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is A minus 1 minus 5 by 4, Q2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 is the LCM, minus 4 minus 5. So that is equal to minus 9 divided by 8, that is Q3. And what is Q4? Q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus Q3. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 9 by 8. So minus 1 minus 9 by 8. So 1 by 2 into 8 is the LCM. So minus 8 minus 9. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 17 by 8. That is equal to minus 17 divided by 16. And then final Q5 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 17 by 16. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 16 LCM minus 16 minus 17. So that is equal to minus 33 divided by 32. So Q1 minus 3 by 2, Q2 minus 5 by 4, Q3 minus 9 by 8, Q4 minus 17 by 16, Q5 minus 33 by 32. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.